Hello everyone, today we will crochet an amazing rug. We called it a diamond carpet. I used our medium yarn 7 and 9mm, hook number 8, plastic needle and scissors. So let's get started. Now I'll show you how to make a hexagon. We make a ring, then insert the hook, work first loop, and now make 5 chain stitches. Wrap the yarn over the hook and make a double crochet stitch into our ring. And then make the second one. Make 2 chain stitches and again 2 double crochet stitches into the ring. Repeat the same action, 2 chain stitches and 2 double crochet stitches into the ring. As a result, we have to make 5 pairs of double crochet stitches. We made 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. Now, when we have 5 pairs of double crochet stitches, we count the first chain stitch as the first double crochet stitch. We add 2 chain stitches and make the last double crochet stitch. Please pay the attention that in the end we need to have 6 pairs of double crochet stitches. So now we need to tighten the ring. I'll show you how to join the end of the row. Pull out the thread on the hook and now watch. We have 2 chain stitches between each pair of double crochet stitches. And the same at the beginning of the row. 1 and 2. We insert the hook into a previous chain stitch, just like this, under the both sides of the loop. Now we take our last loop, pull it through, tighten but not too much, and make such trick from the left to the right. Tighten the end, just like this. And after that, tighten our working thread. That's it, we've got invisible joining of the row. Now let's get started with the second row. We make the first fake double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook and insert it into the holes between our double crochet stitches. Work first stitch and after that 1 chain stitch and then 2 more. And now work double crochet stitch into the same hole. Now we work 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. We make increase 2 double crochet stitches into the next hole, 1, then work 2 chain stitches and 2. Repeat the same action till the end of the row. I've made the last increase 2 double crochet stitches into the last hole. Now I work double crochet stitch into this loop. As you can see, each side of the hexagon has 4 double crochet stitches in this row. Remember, we have a fake double crochet stitch at the beginning. And the last one we make like this. Watch carefully. Now we join this row just like the previous one. Now we start the next row with the same fake stitch, add increase in the same hole, and do not forget to make increases into each holes. You already know this technique, so go ahead. As a result, you have to make 5 rows of our hexagon. And now I will show you how to make a beautiful joining of our diamond pieces. I leave about a 1 meter tail of each hexagon. Insert it into the third loop. And pull it back like this. After that, we go up to place the thread at the beginning of the row for a comfortable sewing. Now I'll show you this beautiful technique. Insert the needle under the both sides of the loop of one piece and under the back loop of other piece. Such joining looks invisible, and as I'm using different colors in my rug, this technique works the best. And just look at the result we have. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I recommend to steam off your rug for a stunning look. Thank you for being with us. I hope you enjoyed it and crochet like a pro with Bobilon. Bye bye!